Actually for HB, remember to the substitution, just remember one quick simplification. Log 1 equals 0 and log 4 equals 2 log 2. So we do the substitution, upper limit, lower limit. For the upper limit to this should be a log 4 all square times 4 square over 2 minus log 4 square over 2 and then plus 4 square over 4 and then minus, but all the thing becomes 0 except the last term 1 square over 4. Remember log 4 is 2 log 2, so the first term becomes 2 square, 32, so it becomes 32 log 2 all square, and then this one is 2 minus 16 log 2. Last one is 16 over 4 minus 1 over 4, became a minus, so it's 15 over 4. So we got the result, very complicated, but it has the result to show you, so you should do it. If you can't do it, I'm sure.